Step 1, import your module and set your TLS. Step 2, set your Google API variables. Step 3, set up your token. And step 4, set your spreadsheet ID, like so. Okay, this is the test sheet we're going to be working with, and we're going to insert an entire row of data starting from A7 to E7. And to do that, we actually need a 2D array to hold our data. And to do that for a single row, we need to have a leading comma to ensure it gets read as a 2D array. And then we're going to call set gsheet data. We specify our access token. We specify our range, which is A7 to E7, our sheet name, spreadsheet ID, and the values, which is our 2D data array. So if we run this, you see our values are now inserted into A7 to E7. Similarly, if we want to update multiple rows, say from A8, and we want to add multiple rows, we do the same thing. We set up our 2D array. This time it'll hold multiple elements, so we don't need to have the leading comma. But in our range, we select where our first data is going to be inserted, which is A8. And this is only 2 rows. So the next one down is going to be E9. So we specify that range. And let's run this. And we got 2 rows inserted here. Now, let's say we just want to update a singular cell. Let's pick on B7. So this value of 5,000, we're going to overwrite. So we set up our data array to hold our value. I'm going to update it with just the word hello. We set our range just to be that target cell with our same variables. Run that, and you can see the singular cell got updated. And this is how you update a Google Sheet using PowerShell.